welcome to iFillFull Kitchen. Today's recipe is lasagna. The ingredients are 10 sheets of lasagna dough, 2 onions, half cup of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of mashed garlic, half kg of ground meat, and a half teaspoon of each of rosemary, oregano, paprika, cumin, and cinnamon. The ingredients for the sauces: we have the tomato sauce, which consists of 2.5 cups of water, 410 grams of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of each salt, black pepper, rosemary, oregano. For the white sauce, we will need 50 grams of butter, 3 tablespoons of flour, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 2.5 cup of milk. So we will start with heating some oil and frying the onions. The onions absorbed the oil, so I added more olive oil, and then I add the mashed garlic and then the meat. Stir all together properly and then add the spices we mentioned. Now while the meat is being cooked, let's prepare the tomato sauce by adding the tomato paste with the water, stirring them together and adding the spices. Stir in the mixture to the meat and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. At the same time, we'll prepare the white sauce. In a separate pan, we will melt the butter and add the flour gradually. Once you finish adding the flour, don't forget to add the garlic powder. Mix them together until they combine and make a paste. Then we will add the milk gradually. Add the milk slowly and gradually so you will know the consistency of the sauce. It shouldn't be too thick and it shouldn't be watery. Now we have everything prepared, so we will start organizing by adding the white sauce. Then we will add the lasagna dough, and next we will add the meat with the tomato sauce and cover it again with lasagna dough. And we keep repeating the layers until everything and all our sauces are finished. Sprinkle some black pepper and oregano on the top and put it in the oven 180 degrees for about 40 minutes. And we're done. Smacznego! If you liked our recipe, please give us a like, share, and subscribe to our channel iFillFull Kitchen. Don't forget to see our latest videos and the video I chose for you with a lovely recipe, and press the bell button to get all our latest videos. Salam!